Norong bagi kaisang interesting video tu bui tongo. O video angka reaction video. Ang reaction video untuk nanyan naik tongo. Norong bagi norong naik tong di. Ane o YouTube channel na. Gaming and Kubikok TV. O video ko kup naik thok. Ane money ko thok. Cinti prawa tong hangga manasen. Engko naik. Motai rapon mano kup interesting borok. Norong naik tong di kup saja kena kaklayo.
Now that's music. That's music, bro. That's music, bro. Come on, do it again.
Dance music, bro. Dance music.
Whoa! Okay, first of all, listen. It has to be said.
Okay, first of all, listen. It has to be said.
This is actually my first time seeing a black guy in North
This is actually my first time seeing a black guy in North
I have never seen this. Like this dance is just.
I have never seen this. Like this
black
dance
guy.
is just
And guess what? I think it's
black guy. And guess what?
which makes it so better. I mean, like this video was just shot.
Which makes it so better. I mean, like this video was just shot. Specifically for me, so guys, I'm really excited.
Kingkodong.
Kup interesting video na naik tong di.
The video. Whoa, let's get it down.
Kingkodong Santhali video.
If this is your first time on the channel, just express it. Please hit that subscribe button and smash that like button.
Macam
I really
mana?
appreciate it. Okay, let's continue.
What? There are millions. What? This is not I have never, bro. I have never.
This is all the first. I have never, bro. I have never.
Music
I think
video
I will start like
bro, I have a lot of
you know, music video channel.
Oh, what can that shit,
Like,
bro?
oh,
If
bro,
you're
I have a lot of
Oh, what can that shit? The Chelsea fan. Wow. I am a Chelsea.
He's a Chelsea fan. Wow. I am a Chelsea fan.
Is it Jawan? Ah, bro, no, come on, bro.
Is it Jawan? Bro, no, come on.
Yes, bro. Yes, bro. Wow.
He looks in. He's just like an Indian that's just a black guy. He looks like. He looks like. I mean, like, if you want me to act,
He's just like
Indian.
an Indian that's just a black guy. This guy is like, he looks like me. He looks like
Ah, looks
he
like me.
Definitely.
He's a good looking guy. And he's a Chelsea fan. I mean, like, if you want to ask him, just Indian, it's me.
Excuse me, I have to.
Definitely Indian.
I'm surprised. There's a part of India that's really this dark. I didn't know, guys. Like,
Excuse me, I have to go just like that.
What's nice video?
Surprised!
guys, explain right now in the comment section, guys.
There's a part of India that's really this.
Right now.
I didn't know, guys. Like, I be honest with you, don't know. Guys, explain right now in the comment section. Right now!
Oh, I love that song. I love that dance. You get it. I love it. I love it.
I
dan sok matang
That doesn't look like Chinese training.
collaboration no dan keren mudra ka kejan di different video se kai na ho visual ya
Like Chinese training. Yeah.
ah
What are they doing? Are they trying to catch some fish? Oh, I love the mud.
What are they doing? They're trying to catch some fish.
oh dan
Oh! Now that's music. That's music, bro. That's music, bro. Come on, do it again.
oh hai no không phải chịu cái
I love that. Jaguru Jagaran.
Now that's music. That's music, bro. That's music.
dan music
Test. To be honest, for Munda video, now I just see my shit organized. The glasses on point and song is amazing.
I love that. Jaguru Jagaran.
Song is amazing. Song is on point, guys. What? Bro. First of all, this is what I have to tell you about the song.
This is
And the
one
song
of
is
the
just a
best.
vibe.
This is one
It's
of
just
the
a vibe.
best.
You want to dance
To
along.
be
Don't
honest,
lie.
Munda video. I just see that it's so organized. Guru is on point and song is amazing. I tell you nothing. Song is amazing.
song is amazing tu malu na yeah bro
Add a twist of retro with Maybelline New York and beyond.
This is one of the
Add a twist of color. A twist of drama.
selling it.
A twist of glam. A twist of fun.
nama tu guna ka
Try the limited edition artist collection from Maybelline New York.
When you write, your tone influences how readers respond. With Grammarly, just highlight your text and type.
Bro, I mean she can dance. When I say she
First
can
of all,
dance,
this is what I mean.
sister can dance.
You have to tell me what you are in the song. And the song is just fine. You just be fine. You want to dance along. Don't lie. And you give shout out to this lady. She's just an amazing dancer. If she's one of her, amazing job. She's just amazing. She's selling everything.
Guys, fish trap.
Dance.
That's their mom.
She can dance. When I say she can dance, sister can dance.
You know, when you start looking at somebody,
That's their mom.
if listen guys, if they have more video, just
You know, when you start looking at somebody,
definitely watch it, guys.
another person
definitely
that
check
is
it out.
actually work, you know you're from
Bro,
no,
you
are
see,
way like
shout out to
your
them.
love for
Shout out
art
to
is
them.
just
Like, I don't know
something
if
about
about
it.
it. Definitely shout out to them.
Jete muni ko
I've never enjoyed
Muche tonala.
one of you actually told me to do this, like you spanned me, you spamming me with it. I had to do it. That is it. Like, this thing that was time button, like,
This is dance.
what you said. Check it out. That's right.